इस वीडियो में हम लोग मेडिवल पीरियड के रिलेटेड 20 मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट MCQ डिस्कस करने वाला है। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हु वाज द फाउंडर ऑफ द स्लेव डायनेस्टी? करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हु इंट्रोड्यूस्ड द इक्ता सिस्टम? करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, इल्तुतमिश। Who was the only woman ruler of the Delhi Sultanate? Correct answer is option B, Razia Sultana. Who introduced market reforms in the Delhi Sultanate? Correct answer is option A, Alauddin Khilji. Who shifted the capital from Delhi to Daulatabad? Correct answer is option C, Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Who was known as the Alexander of India? Correct answer is option C, Alauddin Khilji. Who founded the Vijayanagar Empire? Correct answer is option B, Bukka and Harihar. The famous Persian traveler who visited the court of Muhammad bin Tughlaq was? Correct answer is option B, Ibn Battuta. Who constructed the Grand Trunk Road? Correct answer is option C, Sher Shah Suri. Who was the first Mughal emperor? Correct answer is option B, Babur. Which battle laid the foundation of the Mughal Empire in India? Correct answer is option B, First Battle of Panipat. Who wrote the Aini-Akbari? Correct answer is option B, Abul Fazl. Who was Akbar's famous Rajput wife? Correct answer is option B, Jodhabai. The Battle of Haldighati was fought between? Correct answer is option A, Akbar and Maharana Pratap. Which Mughal emperor built the Taj Mahal? Correct answer is option C, Shah Jahan. Guru Arjan Dev was executed by? Correct answer is option C, Jahangir. Who was the last powerful Mughal emperor? Correct answer is option C, Aurangzeb. The Bhakti movement Saint Kabir was a disciple of? Correct answer is option C, Ramananda. Which Sufi saint shrine is located at Ajmer? Correct answer is option C, Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti. Shivaji belonged to which dynasty? Correct answer is option C, Maratha.